travel to the Rho Ophiuchi cloud complex. Next, a two-color image from the now-retired infrared NASA Spitzer Space Telescope appears. And then finally, James Webb Space Telescope's image of the star-forming region. The star-forming region captured in Webb's image is small and not particularly active compared to other well-known star-forming regions. It is the region's proximity to Earth, 390 light-years, that allows Webb to capture it in such detail, emphasizing the structure of jets bursting from young solar mass stars and a dusty cave of glowing polycyclic, aromatic hydrocarbons.